Yeah, as soon as we saw the breaking news sort of in Prudent about this whole issue of the thermal gun, we had seen the thermal gun being used, but once the news came, in fact, soon after the news came on Prudent, we started getting calls, that what is GoaCan doing about all this, and we thought, "Arey, what is happening?" And when I immediately the next morning I managed to have a look at the box of this packaged product, I was shocked to see that the product is like a product which we see in HGPDA ground and Don Bosco exhibitions and where so many places. It's a shocking that this kind of a product has reached the state of Goa. There are things that government could not do, etc. I'm not going to that. What I'm trying to point out, the hard work of the doctors, nurses and paramedics, the fire emergency services, the police, their hard work should not go down the drain because of a product which is defective. And I say it is defective purely because once it does not go through these proper processes, it doesn't come through proper channels, it is to be rejected. And as the government of India has decided to withdraw all the COVID testing kits from China, which are defective, I think the government of Goa should not hesitate, should not delay. It should follow the same step that government of India has taken. Withdraw these thermal guns immediately. Tell the supplier, either you give us the new ones, proper ones with the import license, MRP, everything, otherwise refund the money. And we are going to campaign on this issue because for us, the future of the consumer is very important post-lockdown.
And thermal gunnaचेर केल्ले इन्वेस्टिगेट.
थर्मल गनाचेर खंयचे
थर्मल गन ती चायनाच्यान इम्पोर्ट केली.
ती सांगला तेजे अजून रिपोर्ट येवना.
ओके.